Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 7878, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. The meaning of angel number 7878, the spiritual significance. What does it mean for love? What does 7878 mean for twin flames? What does it mean for manifestation? How does 7878 affect finances? What does it mean for former relationships? How does 7878 guide your work life? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And lastly, a summary. What's the meaning of angel number 7878? Angel number 7878 signifies balance between the spiritual and material aspects of life. The number 7 represents inner wisdom, intuition, and spiritual growth, while the number 6 relates to harmony, responsibility, and service. Seeing 7878 suggests a need to align your practical actions with your higher purpose. It is a message from your angels that you are supported as you pursue both spiritual fulfillment and material stability. This number encourages you to trust your inner guidance and maintain strong personal values, reminding you that a well-balanced life leads to long-term peace, success, and soul satisfaction. What's the symbolism of angel number 7878? Angel number 7878 symbolizes a sacred equilibrium between spiritual insight and earthly obligations. The repetition of 7 emphasizes spiritual awareness, introspection, and the pursuit of wisdom, while 6 symbolizes nurturing, responsibility, and emotional care. This number suggests that spiritual maturity is best expressed through acts of service and love in daily life. It is also a symbol of cycles, learning lessons, applying them, and using that knowledge to create greater balance. The presence of both numbers repeated amplifies their message, signaling that you are at a pivotal point where aligning heart, mind, and action will bring lasting fulfillment. What is the angel number 7878 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 7878 signifies a period of growth, reflection, and alignment. The number 7 emphasizes deepening your spiritual understanding, while 6 reminds you to integrate these insights into everyday life with compassion and responsibility. This number serves as a spiritual checkpoint, encouraging you to slow down and evaluate if your path aligns with your soul's truth. You may be called to serve others or strengthen your relationship with the divine. 7878 supports spiritual maturity by showing that enlightenment doesn't exist apart from real life. It is found through love, duty, and living your truth with integrity and humility. What does the angel number 7878 mean for love? In love, angel number 7878 highlights the importance of emotional balance, mutual respect, and spiritual connection. The 7 energy promotes introspection and soul-deep bonding, while the 6 encourages empathy, stability, and support in relationship. If you're in a partnership, this number may be urging you to foster better communication and shared spiritual values. For singles, it's a sign that a meaningful relationship is possible when you're emotionally balanced and spiritually ready. 7878 is about giving and receiving love from a grounded place, where both partners grow together while honoring each other's individuality and collective journey. What does angel number 7878 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 7878 signals a time of inner healing, harmony, and preparation for deeper union. The 7 suggests spiritual awakening and divine timing, while the 6 encourages emotional maturity and unconditional love. This number may appear when both counterparts are being asked to balance their inner energies, healing wounds and embracing their higher selves before union can deepen. If you're in separation, 7878 is a reminder to continue your personal growth. If you're together, it suggests working on shared values and open communication. It's a sign that divine love is manifesting through grounded, soul-aligned connection. What does angel number 7878 for manifestation? Angel number 7878 supports manifestation through spiritual integrity, patience, and emotional alignment. The 7 energy encourages trust in divine timing and listening to inner wisdom, while the 6 reminds you to ground your desires in compassion, service, and balance. This number teaches that manifesting isn't only about attracting things. It's about becoming the kind of person who naturally receives what's meant for them. 7878 asks you to ensure your goals are soul-aligned and not driven by fear or ego. When your intentions match your spiritual truth, the universe responds by bringing sustainable, fulfilling results in both the spiritual and material worlds. How does angel number 7878 affect finances? Financially, angel number 7878 emphasizes balance, responsibility, and spiritual perspective. The number 6 relates to managing resources wisely and supporting family or community, while 7 suggests trusting your intuition and avoiding materialism. This number indicates that your financial situation may be improving if you maintain discipline, integrity, and gratitude. It also reminds you that money is a tool, not the goal. Your angels may be encouraging you to use your resources in ways that reflect your values. Financial abundance is more likely when you align spending and saving habits with your spiritual beliefs and long-term personal growth. What does angel number 7878 mean for former relationships? Angel number 7878 invites you to view past relationships as spiritual lessons that shaped your emotional and personal growth. The 7 energy encourages introspection and healing, while 6 urges compassion and closure. If old wounds still linger, this number suggests that healing is possible through self-forgiveness and understanding. Former partners may have taught you critical lessons about self-worth, love, or boundaries. 7878 asks you to honor the past, release regrets, and carry the wisdom forward. It's a message that peace comes from integration, not forgetting, so you can approach future connections with clarity, openness, and emotional maturity. How does angel number 7878 guide your work life? In your career, angel number 7878 suggests that spiritual values and personal purpose should guide your professional choices. The 7 speaks to introspection and wisdom, hinting that your work should nourish your soul. The 6 points to service, responsibility, and creating harmony in your environment. If you've felt unfulfilled, this number may be nudging you toward a more meaningful path, perhaps in service-based or spiritually aligned work. It could also signal a need to bring more balance into your professional life, avoiding burnout by aligning tasks with your true capabilities and passions. Stay grounded, focused, and attuned to divine guidance. What are the strengths of angel number 7878? The strengths of angel number 7878 include spiritual awareness, emotional wisdom, and the ability to maintain balance in chaotic situations. Those resonating with this number often possess deep insight, compassion, and a strong sense of responsibility to others. They are skilled at blending intuition with practical action, making them trustworthy, grounded, and wise. This number also reflects inner harmony, patience, and the capacity to learn from life's lessons. People influenced by 7878 tend to bring peace to their relationships and environments, acting as natural guides or healers. Their strength lies in their integrity, devotion, and spiritual depth. What are the weaknesses of angel number 7878? The weaknesses of angel number 7878 can include overthinking, emotional detachment, or being overly self-sacrificing. The 7's introspective nature may lead to withdrawal or difficulty